Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another try-on style haul sort of video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things that I recently picked up from Zara when I was in the mall last. Everything I mentioned will be linked down below if I can, sizing, all that good stuff like normal will be linked down below. Accessories, nail color, I'm loving this dark navy blue. Yeah, everything will be linked down below for you guys. I wanted to show you what pieces I picked up. I also picked up 2 pairs of jeans from H&M that I'm loving. Like, I don't know where, I've been asleep on H&M jeans. I tried to get more from Zara and they only had 1 pair that were actually in my size and I even remotely liked. And you're gonna have to let me know what you think about them, okay? With everything, the dressing rooms were open at Zara, but the lines were like stupid long and I like trying things on with you guys and getting your opinion. It's like shopping with a friend. And I like styling it with pieces that I already have because, I don't know, for me, I like going to the mall in like leggings, super comfy, so I don't like to try on other clothes unless I have my own clothes at home. Does that make sense? Nonetheless, I am on the fence about 2 things that you're gonna have to let me know, but item that I have is a bodysuit, which I definitely love but need to size up. I got a small in this. It comes in, I want to say 3 other colors. There's like a green, which would be beautiful. There's a black, and then there's this white, which it is a bit sheer, but it's not a game changer for me. I just think it's too tight. So I got a small in this. This was $25.90, such a good price, honestly, for this bodysuit. It's ribbed, it's pretty. It's got raw hemming on the sleeve. It is like a cheeky sort of coverage bottom, not a thong bottom. But yeah, I just need a small. It's very tight on the girls. The length and everything is good, but yeah, it's just too tight in my chest area. So I would need to get a medium in this guy. So I'm gonna exchange this for a medium, but I love this. I think it's just so pretty. It's very thin. It's not like a thick sweatery material, but it's ribbed, so it looks really nice. I think the white is very casual, but if you wanted to wear it more of like dressed up or like night out or whatever, you could go with the dark green, or the black would be absolutely beautiful, but the dark green with some leather pants, so good. But anyways, I think this is just a great staple basic. I paired it with the jeans that I'm currently wearing right now. These are like everything I wanted in a pair of jeans and more. You guys know I've been on the hunt for just like non-distressed denim, and I'm having a really big struggle trying to find them. I don't know, I just feel like every time I try a pair from Abercrombie, I'm just not liking them. And normally I'm a huge Abercrombie jean fan, but I don't know, I just recently, or they're just too pricey to justify. These were like, I want to say $19, maybe $25. So good. Thick, rigid denim. I got these in a true size 4, which is what I typically am in an H&M. But their jeans are weird. I can go between a 4 and a 6 because they're small. I love these. I think they're so cute. And they're the perfect like ankle denim, rigid, sucks you in, but not ripped. And I love them. You can dress them up or dress them down. I also paired them with this satin silky sort of shirt. I loved this green. It's kind of like a sage green. I've been loving these. I have it in a tan that you saw from Abercrombie. I have it in a dark navy blue from like, it's an actual silks from Lily Silk, but this one was really pretty. I loved the color. I love the like pearl opal buttons on them. These are just my go-to for when we go out, nice dinner, or like go out for a birthday, whatever the case may be. I just love these shirts. I feel like with jeans and heels, they just, I'm not a dress or a skirt sort of person. So with this, it's like dressier, but still like very classic and cute. And I'm obsessed with this color. It's just so pretty. And I want to say they have other colors in this as well, but this one was kind of pricey. I want to say, oh no, it was $35.90, not too bad. I thought it was $49. But it's up there on the scale, but the quality is really nice. So love that. Okay, my favorite piece ever that I picked up is this sweater. This color, it's that poppy orange red color, and I'm in love with it. I love the weight of this sweater. I love the way it fits. It's kind of got like a band at the bottom, which I like to push up and wear kind of like, not cropped, but more cropped than long, if that makes sense. The only thing I will say about this is I need to return it because, or exchange it, because I have 2 pills on it that I haven't even worn this out of the house yet. Literally, I grabbed it out of the bag and put it on and I was like, what the heck? I was gonna wear it the other night for dinner, but it had 2 pills on it. So I need to exchange that. So be mindful when you're looking at this sweater in store or online. I don't think it pills easy by any means. I think this one was just already pilled. So it doesn't seem like a pilly sort of material. It's so thick, it's so nice, but this color is everything, especially with these like medium wash denim blue, and paired with my favorite new shoes, the Converse platform high tops. I feel like everyone has them. I love them. I got them in a white. I was originally gonna go black, but I'm honestly so happy that I got them in the white. They're so classic, they're so clean, they're so pretty, and I love how the piping is black and it's not like that blue or red that they are with my like classic low tops. They're just so clean and so fresh. If you can get your hands on a pair, I highly recommend it. I know on Amazon they're like hundreds of dollars, but I was able to get them on the Converse site. They shipped within the week. Like I ordered on Monday and I got them on a Friday. Like so good, so classic, so cute, so comfortable. Do size down half a size. So when you're ordering them, be mindful of that. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this outfit. Is like everything for me. It's not really that wintry, but I am obsessed with it. All right, this sweater, I need you to tell me, okay? I've been seeing it all over like Instagram or other YouTubers, and I like it, but I'm like, is it too much? The neck kind of is like, it's a full-on turtleneck, but not one that you can like roll down or manipulate. It's literally, because the inside is like a different color. Do you know what I mean? So you really can't fold it over, and it's very stiff. It's cute, but I just don't know. It's this like animal print sort of vibe. This one was pricey. I want to say it was like 50 bucks. Yeah, $49.90. So let me know. I got this in a medium. It's very boxy, but I liked tucking it into, I finally got a pair of leather pants. These are the high-rise skinny Curve Love. I got them from Abercrombie. I love these. I probably would have gotten well, I don't know, I probably wouldn't have. They're a little bit short, but it's not like the end of the world. But they're really cute, such good quality, so stretchy, so comfortable. I love these. I've never been a leather pants sort of girl, but I saw everyone style them, especially with like a basic white button down, sweaters, anything like that, and it just kind of elevates it. So love those pants as well. I picked those up recently, but with that sweater, I thought it was cute, but you'll have to let me know what you think about that sweater, because I'm kind of like, on the fence, and on the fence for a $50 sweater is like, maybe you don't need it. Okay, the jeans that I did find at Zara though, and the whole reason I wanted to find a pair of jeans like this is that slit hem at the bottom. Is that what it's called, split hem? I don't know. These are a slim flare, yes. But they're a flare in the way, like they're actually straight at first, but the flare is because of the slit. I love them with the high top Converse. I think they're so freaking cute the way it pokes out. If I keep these, I'll need to cut them just a bit, which is okay because they already have a frayed end. Just to let me know, I feel like the hem on the sides, like on my thighs, like rolls in. It's almost a little bit unflattering, but you'll have to let me know. I feel like I'm on the fence with them. These were 46 bucks, which honestly is not bad at all, because Abercrombie jeans, even when I get them on sale, they're still like 60 bucks at least, if not 70 to 80. So I do overall really like them. I wish they were a darker color. I like how they're distressed, but they're not like super distressed, but I do love this flare bottom. So let me know what you think. I could size up a size, which I might do when I go to exchange this, see if they have these. I forgot to mention, I got these in a size US 4. I think I could do a 6, to be honest. They're just tight, and I feel like I'm over my jeans being too tight, and I just need to like accept it and go up a size. It's not a big deal, right? So I would get these probably in a size US 6 instead of a 4. So I'm gonna try those and see what I think about them. But overall, yeah, let me know. Sound off in the comments down below. I paired that outfit with my favorite little legging friendly, I forgot what it's exactly called. I don't know. It's their long line sweater, but I got it in a double XS from Abercrombie. So cute, basic plain black, but such good quality, so thick, so comfortable. And I tucked that in and paired it with some gold chunky necklaces or gold layered necklaces, and thought it was super cute with my Converse. And then last but not least, the last pair of jeans that I picked up from H&M. Again, I wanted more non-distressed jeans, and these were everything, but they're too small. So I got them in a 4, which my other ones are in a 4 and they fit perfectly. So I need to get these in a 6. These were $20, $19.90, it's nuts. These are the slim high waist ankle length denim. Again, everything I can link, I will link down below for you guys. I just placed another H&M order. I've just been so impressed with their quality and their denim specifically. It's just so good. So yeah, I love everything about these jeans. They're just too small. I love the dark color, no distressing whatsoever, which is just nice. It's a clean look. I would love that with this poppy sweater, so pretty. But yeah, I just need to go up to a 6, so I'll be exchanging those for a size 6. And I paired them with my other favorite H&M collared sweater, which Abercrombie just came out with one that's similar to this. And it's like triple the price. It's crazy. So I really feel like you need to shop around at different places to kind of see different trends and what you're willing to spend the money on. Like a basic sweater like this, I would spend the money on this, even though I've actually worn this so many times. I would hesitate to spend too much money on it. So I'm really glad I found this one from H&M. I got this in a small, and I love this kind of green sage color. So that is everything that I recently picked up from H&M and Zara, mostly Zara, and 2 pairs of H&M jeans. But I've been loving H&M jeans. Do not like hesitate and try a pair, I swear. The sizing is just weird. That's the only thing that I hate about ordering online, is that the sizing is just off. But I can tell you that I love the quality of them, so especially for the price. So that is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like seeing videos like this, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Let me know what other videos, what other brands you want to see in these kind of videos. I will have an H&M one up later this month because, like I said, I just placed a big order, and I do want to do like an American Eagle Airy one. So yeah, let me know if there's any other brands that you'd like to see me do these with. I've kind of not done an Abercrombie one in like 3 months, just because like I feel like I haven't loved any of their things recently. So yeah, let me know if there's any other brands. I love you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.